हेलो गाइस, तो आज मैं बताने वाला हूँ इंडिया के स्कीम के बारे में जो आपको कंपटीशन एग्जाम के लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स हैज लॉन्चेड डिजिटल सेवा सेतु प्रोग्राम? आंसर इज गुजरात फर्स्ट। Question number 2, the STARS project, which has been approved by the Union Cabinet, is partially funded by the financial institution. Answer is World Bank. Question number 3, Thalassemia Bal Seva Yojana is a part of the hematopoietic stem cell transplantation project funded by which PSU? Coal India. Question number 4, what is the name of the scheme launched by the Agriculture Minister to assist cooperative in creation of the healthcare infrastructure? Ayushman Sahakar. Question number 5, which has become the first state in India to fix the floor price for vegetables? Kerala. Question number 6, the Union Cabinet approved the production linked the incretive PLI scheme worth up to Rs 1,46,000 lakh crore for how many sector? As 10. Question number 7, which union ministry implement PM Kusum scheme? Answer is the Ministry of Renewable Energy. Question number 8, what is the name of the training modules launched for primary cooperative society by National Cooperative Development Corporation? Answer is Sahakar Pragya. Question number 9, which union minister has launched portal for transgender person to apply gender identity certificate? Answer is Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Question number 10, which the South State of India has recently passed anti-cow slaughter bill? Karnataka. Question number 11, social endeavor for health and the telemedicine Sehat scheme is to be the launched in the which state? UT. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 12, what is the share of the center in the recently approved post matric scholarship for SC student? 60%. Question number 13, Freight Business Development Portal, which was the making news, was launched by which the Union Ministry of Railways? Question number 14, Ujjwala and SLNP scheme, which has the complete 6 years, is the implemented by the which the Ministry of Power? Question number 15, Dhyan Di Lohri and the Besera are the recently launched scheme of which the Indian states? Punjab. The land allotments policy 2001 to 2013, which has making news recently, what realized by the which state? UT. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 70, a new school of public health has been the launched in which Indian state? UT. Rajasthan. Question number 18, the manufacturing the zones under the Atmanirbhar Bharat package scheme is to be implemented by which the Union Ministry of Power? Ashwam Mala program has been launched in which the Indian states? UT. Assam. Question number 20, स्वावलंब सशक्त मेगा campaigning has been launched by the Confederation of the Women Entrepreneurs of Indians, COW, and answer is SRDBI. Question number 21, Which state has inaugurated the Office for Digital Economy Mission Office? Karnataka. Rewards the project which was making the news the recently is the implemented by the which states? Odisha. Question number 23. The Indian Toy Fair was launched in the which the years 2021. A nodal agency called the Digital Intelligence Unit 2 is the B the set you up by the which Union Ministry of Communication. Question number 25. Which is the Union Minister announcement the Nutrings Neighborhoods Challenge Courts? Ministry of the Housing and the Urban Affairs. Question number 26. What does T stands for in the Spurti scheme? Spurti scheme, which was the making news recently. Traditional. Question number 27. Which is the state that recently unveiled Engineering, Search and the Development Policy 2021? Karnataka. Question number 28. Summer campaigning has been launched by which is the state? Jharkhand. Summer scheme. That's enough. Which union minister has launched the 88 Smart Cities Challenge and Transport for All Challenge? Ministry of the Housing and the Urban Areas Affairs. Question number 30. What is the primary object of the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana? To provide free foods, grains. Question number 31. Which state is no implement the smart kitchen scheme? Kerala. Question number 32. Which is the minister has been launched Sehat's POPD portal? Defense Minister. Question number 33. What is the child helpline number? The Minister of the Women and Child Development 1098. Question number 34. What is the name of the program in which is the government distributes kits of hire, adding the varieties of the seeds to the farmers? Seeds mini kits the program. 35. Which union the minister has released a model citizens charter allegains action with the SDGs? Ministry of Panchayat Raj. Question number 36. Action plan of the project Heritage Trees and the Trees Authority are the initiatives of the which the Indian states? Maharashtra. Question number 37. Which the Indian states has the signed and the MOU with is the Survey of the Indians implements the Swamitva scheme? Assam. Question number 38. Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Parivar आर्थिक सहायता योजना implemented by which is the state? UT Delhi. Union Cabinet approved Rs 6,332 crore production linkage the incentive of PLI scheme for which the product specialty steel. Question number 40. Under which is the scheme the children in the orphanages due to COVID-19 are the being assistance by the union government? PM Cares. 41. As of the July 2021, who is the Union Minister of Civil Aviation? Jyotiraditya Scindia. Jyotiraditya Scindia. Question number 42. Which state UT has the launched e-Nagar mobile application and portal? Gujarat. Question number 43. Which has Which state duty the police the department has launched as the e-fire initiative? Madhya Pradesh. Question number 44. Which is the state the UT has launched the Clean City app? Delhi. Which the state UT has launched the Indira Gandhi Urban Credit Cards Scheme 2021? Rajasthan. Which state UT has passed the Cattle Preservation Bill 2021? Assam. Question number 47. Which union minister has launched Why Break mobile application? Ministry of Ayush. Question number 48. Which state has launched Vatan Prem Yojana? Gujarat. Question number 49. Which the minister has launched बुजुर्गों की बात देश के साथ प्रोग्राम? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. इमरजेंसी क्रेडिट लाइन गारंटी स्कीम ECLGS is associated with which minister? Ministry of Finance. I hope this video is very important your knowledge. Thank you.